Okay, this is a tutorial on how to take a store-bought CD and ripping it onto your hard drive without compromising sound quality. So your obvious first step is to put your CD in the drive, which I already have. See, I don't have a store-bought CD, but that really doesn't matter as long as it's a CD, an audio CD. I'm going to put that in the drive. You're going to come up here and you're going to wait until your auto run pops up. Give it a couple of minutes here, a couple of seconds. Here we go, auto run pops up. I'm going to close the auto run menu. I'm going to come down here to my start menu. And if all you're wondering, I'm using Windows 7. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to go to my programs. Depending on what you're using, you could be using XP, Vista, or anything like that. For 7 users, go to all programs. The best program I find to use is Nero, whatever version, really doesn't matter. So I'm going to go to Nero. Give me another pop-down menu. Nero 10. Yeah, of course. It's going to give me another big long list of different programs I can use for Nero. Click Nero Burning ROM or whatever Nero you have to come to a main screen. Then you're going to have a window that pops up here. And you're going to cancel out that window. Just hit the cancel button. Make it big. I'll make it easier for everybody to see here. If you come to the top of the screen, the top left-hand side, there'll be a couple of drop-down menus. Ignore all the ones like File and all that. File, Edit, View, Recorder, Extras, Window, Help, stuff like that. You're going to go to the one that says Extras. See? If you go, you'll see there should be 4 different menus. What you're going to do is you're going to save audio tracks. Click that. Medium does not contain any audio tracks. Well, that's not cool. You're going to find whatever drive. For me, I have 4 different drives. But you're going to find the drive that suits you most. Like I said, for me, I have 4 different drives. I'm just kind of waiting on my drive to read the disk. Okay, here we go. So it's telling me what I have in there right now is the new M&M CD recovery. I'm going to accept the match, what doesn't really matter. Okay, so what's going to show me, it's going to show me a list of songs. Here's what I'm going to do is there's a bunch of check marks right here. Whatever you want to, if you're accepting them all, or if you're, I don't know what you're doing with them. Basically what you're going to do is you're going to click them all, or click the top check mark here to select all. Going to come down here to the bottom, there's a thing called copy. You're going to hit copy. And you're going to wait until it decides to load. For me, I have a really scratched CD, so it's copying now to, I'm not sure where at the present moment. No idea where it's copying to. That's kind of dumb, but oh well. Most likely it'll probably copy over to music. Oh, that's not good. Okay. I totally fudged that, but I can figure out, I'll figure out the spot where they're trying to copy to in a second here. Oh, I have a bit of a computer problem here. Oh, okay. So for me, if you go here to the top of the screen, before you hit the copy button, make a note of that, there should be source and output. Go to your output. There should be a thing called output directory. It should be a screen that looks like this. And it says output directory. Basically for me, well, I'm really not going to show you exactly that, but it's basically where my target folder is. If you want to change the target folder, hit the browse button before you start copying. And you find a folder, so I'll show you. I hit the browse button. It should bring a drop down menu. For me, I'll just use desktop, just to make it easier. So I'll go to my desktop and I'll hit copy. And it should bring a folder on your desktop. And yeah, you just let it do its thing, and there you go. I will have more tutorials up as time goes along. Thank you for your time.